industry. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about repair plans and when you know you have a correct one. The easiest way to kind of tell if you have a correct repair plan is look at the first pier and the last pier and make sure it's encompassing your desires or your wants in regards to releveling your house. Usually where your first and last piers start and stop, those numbers or those floor elevations are what we're able to bring the house up to. So if you have a -1 where the first pier is and a -3 where the last pier is, you're still going to have a drop in your floor. Your best bet is you want to have the first pier number and the last pier number be almost identical or close as possible to what your desired measurements are going to be or your desired lift is going to be. That's the easiest way to do it. Obviously, you're going to need a structural engineer to review your plans, take a look at it, and approve what you're projecting to your client and customer and everything else too. So, like I said, the easiest way to do it is look at your first and last number, and if those aren't matching or those aren't close, I would definitely look at getting a second opinion. That's the best way, and that's when you know you have somebody that really understands what it's going to take to do a proper lift of your house. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.